This is Mike, my cameraman, and yesterday he slept through 350 on a lottery ticket. Mike, where was your brain?
I don't know.
Alright, Mike, I'm getting your 350 back right now and making myself a couple of thousands using my proven strategy. Hey everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm a professional trader with 8 years of experience. My win rate is 91%. Throughout my career, I've made over 600,000 trades and my strategies and signals have already helped over 21,000 people start getting results in trading. And today, my mission is to get back all the savings my cameraman Mike lost, while also showing you how one of my most effective strategies works. If you are ready to learn one of my most powerful trading strategies, one that even a beginner can understand, then watch this video till the end. Let's go! Before we jump in, I want to give you one step toward your goal right now. I've built a Telegram community with over 12,000 people who follow me, copy my trades, and make daily, consistent earnings in trading. Here's what my daily trading signals look like. And here are hundreds of reviews from community members. If I could go back 8 years and get access to everything I have now, but much faster, I wouldn't hesitate for a second. You now have the same opportunity. You can either take it or keep things the same. The choice is yours. Just for you, I've left a link in the description and pinned a comment below this video. So pause the video right now, join my community, and then come back to watch my strategy, the same one you'll be using when you trade with me. I'll be waiting for you. Let's get to trading. Today I'm starting with the minimum, just 2. As usual, I begin by selecting currency pairs. Let's go with this one. Perfect. Now let's set up the indicators. Today I'm using MACD and Stochastic. Nothing complicated. These tools just help see things that aren't always obvious on the chart. MACD, for example, shows the strength of a trend and potential reversals. Stochastic, on the other hand, tells us where the price is either too high or too low. That's the simplest way to explain it. Alright, a few more tweaks to make everything clear. Alright, I'm all set, everything is configured, it's time for my strategy. Let's check out for the first pair. I see a strong resistance level where the price has bounced off before. This means a lot of sellers here, making it hard for the price to break through. I also noticed a divergence on MACD and Stochastic. While the price reached a new high, the indicators show that buyers are losing strength. All signs point to a potential drop, so I'm going down. A solid start, friends. Let's keep going. Alright, let's see what's happening with other pairs. Let's check out Canadian and Japanese. I'm setting it at 3. The price has just hit a new high, but the indicators aren't confirming the buyer's strength. Stochastic is in the overbought zone, signaling a possible reversal or downward correction. Meanwhile, MACD's histogram bars barely increased, even though the price made a sharp upward move. This means buyers tried to push the price up, but they didn't have enough strength to hold it there. The market is weakening and there is a high probability it will go down. Let's take action. Exactly as expected, friends. So far the numbers are small, but let's keep moving forward. Alright, here we have a situation where after a long uptrend, the price has entered a sideways range. This signals that buyers are slowing down. The indicator confirms the reversal. MACD's histogram is decreasing and its lines are pointing downward. Stochastic is exiting the overbought zone, suggesting a possible drop. So I'm going down, expecting the price to continue downward after this accumulation phase. Let's see how it plays out. Perfect. Our calculations were spot on. Moving on to the next pair. Alright, let's pause here. So in this case, I see that the trend has shifted to an uptrend, but we're currently in pullback. The indicators confirm the movement. MACD and Stochastic both turned earlier, signaling a trend reversal. The price bounced off a local support level, indicating strong buying pressure. Stochastic hasn't yet reached the overbought zone, meaning there is still room for upward movement. So I'm going up. Amazing, friends! I love this takeoff. Let me remind you that many new traders from my Telegram channel are already making their first successful steps in the market. Join our community to learn from the best. We're already 1,367 strong. That's not just about AI bot that thinks and analyzes faster than any human, but also a treasure trove of expertise, specialist knowledge, and a community of great people. Hit the link in the first comment to subscribe. Let's keep going. Checking the charts. Look. After an uptrend, we're seeing the beginning of a reversal. The indicators confirm the decline. MACD show its lines turning downward and the histogram bars are shrinking. Stochastic is also pointing down, signaling weakening buyers. All signs indicate a shift in direction. We're going down. Another positive result. I'm really getting into the flow now. Nothing is stopping me, friends. Alright, let's focus on this pair. The price continued to rise as expected, but now we're seeing signs of a potential pullback. Noticing a divergence on stochastic. The price made a new high, but the indicator didn't confirm the move. This signals weakening momentum. Stochastic has been in the overbought zone for a while, suggesting the market is overheating. Since the last peak, the price has moved over 200, yet stochastic failed to make a new high, further increasing the chances of pullback. I think a correction is about to start. Let's take actions. Once again, market analysis proved to be right, up by 61. Let's keep going, my friends. Let's take a look here. The correction to the uptrend has ended and the market is ready to resume its growth. Checking the indicators, stochastic has turned upward and the lines are confidently pointing up, indicating that buying strength is recovering. MACD is also showing a shift in direction. The blue line is about to cross the pink line from below, which is a clear sign of an uptrend continuation. All signals pointing to further upward movement. So it's time to take off again. And once again, we're in the green. Fantastic, my friends. Let's keep going. Let's check this chart. After our last trade, a reversal happened and the price dropped significantly. Here's what stands out. Stochastic has been in the oversold zone for a long time, indicating that the market is overloaded with selling and is ready for a correction. The price has stopped declining and started consolidating. This suggests that sellers are losing strength and the market is reaching for support. MACD confirms the weakening downtrend. Its histogram bars are decreasing and the lines are starting to turn. Stochastic also signals a trend shift, pointing to a possible rally. So we keep moving up. Awesome! Nailed it again. 8 years of hard work have definitely paid off. What do we have here? Alright, I see a classic triple top pattern, which signals weakening buyers. The price tested the high 3 times but failed to break through, indicating strong resistance. MACD is showing divergence. The histogram bars are turning downward, even though the price attempted to push higher. This signals a weakening trend. Stochastic confirms the divergence as well. The price is still rising, but the indicator is already trending down, pointing to a potential reversal. So I'm going down. Awesome! Look at our results now. And we started with just 2, remember? Let's go for big now. Let's pause here. After a strong rally, the price has entered a consolidation phase, meaning the market is pausing and getting ready for its next move. MACD and Stochastic have already turned downward, signaling weakening buyers. The price is testing an upper boundary of the range, but is failing to break through. So I'm going down, as the market is showing signs of a pullback from this resistance level. That's 825 in a bag. Alright friends, now more than ever I want to keep trading because I have full confidence in my strategy. One more time, we're at the finish line. Let's take a look. After an upward move, a double top has formed, with divergence between the peaks. This indicates that buyers are losing strength and the market is preparing for a drop. What do the indicators tell us? MACD shows shrinking histogram bars and its lines are pointing downward. Stochastic is also signaling a reversal, so it exits the overbought zone. All the conditions of my strategy are in place, so I'm confidently going down. Perfect. Look at our final result. I have never had a doubt about the strategy. It works like a clockwork. I think that's enough for today. Great job, everyone. You can start using the bot yourself and experience more successful sessions with our support and expertise. Get the bot and make over 700 per day. The link is below. Goodbye for now. See you in my next video.